everyone, welcome back to WsCube. In our previous module, we covered operators and operands, and also we covered 7 different types of operators. We also did the problem solving to solve all your doubts and questions. In our today's session, we will be starting with a new topic that is called as conditional statement.
Also, if you want to become a successful data analyst and you want to learn from our industrial experts, then you may call on the number given below, or you can also click on the link given in our description. Not just that, with our every batch, you will be getting 2 demo classes for free. So let's get started, guys.
Now let's understand what is this conditional statement. Conditional statement is nothing. Sometimes in our program there is a need, there is a requirement that we need to provide it with a condition. That if in this condition do this or in that condition do that. So conditional statements here allows our computer to execute a program only if a condition is true. If it is not true, what does it do? It comes out of the body of that condition and executes the next part of the program. So here we have enlisted 6 types of conditional statement. We have if the statement, we have if else statement, we have if else statement, we have nested statement, we have shorthand if statement and shorthand if else statement. So these are 6 statements that we will be thoroughly discussing in our upcoming sessions. So I hope the conditional statement, that what is conditional statement, is clear to you. And in our next session, we will be talking about if the statement. So stay connected and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.